three-based Discord server for artists. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will talk about the three-based server or Discord server for the artists. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Connecting with the fellow artists through the Discord can provide valuable opportunities for collaboration, feedback, and growth. So some of the top three Discord server for artists are: the first one is Art Corner. This server caters to both beginners and professionals with a focus on fantasy and science fiction illustrations. Members can share their work, receive critiques, and participate in discussion aimed at skill development. Now, to join the server, you have to access the server through the link. You will need to verify your humanity and introduce yourself with a portfolio or sample of your work to gain full access. And another one is CG Core. It is a large community comprising many professionals from the games and films industries. The server offers discussions on various art, software, mental health, and multiple language channels. It is a valuable resource for networking and accessing industry job postings. So in order to join CG Core, you have to use the invitation link to join. Familiarize yourself with the server rules and guidelines upon entry. So you can find all the servers if you search on the browser or any other platform providing the Discord server. And the third and the last one is Lightbox Expo Online. This is an originating from the Lightbox Expo Online. This server has a diverse membership of aspiring artists. It features channels dedicated to different art sectors, including illustration, concept art, and storyboarding, fostering a collaborative environment. So in order to join this server, again, you have to join via the invitation link, so you can explore the various halls or dedicated to different art forms and participate in community events. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.